That's why I began to teach that my wife is like a decoder. As the husband, I'm supposed to carry a remote. When you want to watch a show on TV, you change the channel. So rather than tell her, why are you not showing entertainment? No, I pick the remote. The remote is my conduct. I press something. We love him because he first loved us. I remote kindness. That's why if you look at the woman, God made her such a complex combination of emotions, because your responsibility, like getting on the keyboard, is to play skillfully, and she's going to produce sounds.